Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we will see how to fix Samsung subwoofer would not connect to soundbar. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So the step 1 is to check power cords and connection. So ensure both the soundbar and the subwoofer are properly plugged into a power outlet. You can check the connection between the soundbar and the subwoofer and make sure that they are securely not loose. Also you can check at the soundbar and the subwoofer backside. Step 2. Restart the subwoofer and soundbar. Turn off both the device and then turn them back on. So before turning back on, you can simply wait up to 30 seconds. And then after you can simply switch on the power board and this may resolve any temporary connectivity issue. Step 3. Check firmware version. Check the firmware version of your soundbar and subwoofer to ensure they are compatible and up to date. So you can simply update the firmware if necessary. Step 4. Check the interference. Move the subwoofer and soundbar away from any potential source of interference such as Wi-Fi or router, microwave and any active Bluetooth device which can interfere the connection between subwoofer and the soundbar. Also check they are not placed between any physical obstacle like wall. Step 5. Check the soundbar setting. Ensure the soundbar is set to the correct input mode and then the subwoofer is selected as the default output device. Step 6. Manually connect the subwoofer. If the subwoofer and the soundbar would not connect automatically, then try manually connecting them by pressing and hold the ID set button up to 5 to 10 seconds. After completing 5 to 10 seconds, you can simply use the soundbar remote and then press the up key up to 5 to 10 seconds until you see the ID set over the Samsung soundbar display. Right now you will see the ID set in displaying on the subwoofer display. Also you will see the blue light turns into red. Then you can simply leave it until the red light turns into blue. After the red light turns into blue, the connection is successfully connected between the subwoofer and the soundbar. Right now you will see the red light turns into blue. It means the subwoofer is successfully connected with the soundbar. So if you are still facing the issue, so you can simply contact the Samsung customer support for further assistance. Also you can request for a replacement. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorial. Goodbye.